If you are looking for Ozempic weight loss in St. Petersburg, click the link in the description below for a free online consultation with the doctor today. No calorie counting. No carb restriction. Ozempic, the Florida weight loss secret of celebrities and elites in St. Petersburg, Florida. Are you struggling to lose weight in St. Petersburg, Florida? Do you feel like you've tried everything, from fad diets to intense workout routines, but nothing seems to work? Well, you're not alone. Many people in St. Petersburg, Florida are facing the same challenge. But there's good news. Ozempic is here to change the game. Ozempic is a new weight loss drug that has taken the world by storm. It is designed to help people lose weight by curbing their appetite and promoting feelings of fullness. And the best part? It's the weight loss secret of celebrities and elites in St. Petersburg, Florida. If you're looking to shed some pounds and get in shape, then Ozempic may be just what you need. Here's why. How Ozempic works. Ozempic works by mimicking the effects of a hormone called glucagon-like peptide 1, GLP-1, in the body. GLP-1 is responsible for regulating appetite, glucose metabolism, and insulin secretion. By increasing GLP-1 levels, Ozempic helps to reduce hunger and cravings, which can lead to weight loss. Additionally, Ozempic slows down the digestion process, which means that food stays in the stomach longer, promoting feelings of fullness. This can help to reduce calorie intake and prevent overeating. Ozempic is a once-weekly injection that is administered under the skin. It is easy to use and has been shown to be effective in clinical trials. Why celebrities and elites in St. Petersburg, Florida love Ozempic? Celebrities and elites in St. Petersburg, Florida are always on the lookout for new and innovative ways to stay in shape and maintain their perfect figures. Ozempic is one of their best-kept secrets. Many celebrities and elites in St. Petersburg, Florida have reported using Ozempic to help them lose weight and keep it off. They love the fact that it is easy to use, doesn't require any major lifestyle changes, and is highly effective. Ozempic has helped many celebrities and elites in St. Petersburg, Florida achieve their weight loss goals and maintain their ideal weight. And now, it can do the same for you. Benefits of Ozempic. Ozempic offers a range of benefits for people in St. Petersburg, Florida who are looking to lose weight. Here are just a few. Reduced appetite and cravings. Promotes feelings of fullness. Slows down digestion, leading to reduced calorie intake. Once-weekly injection. Easy to use. Highly effective. With these benefits, it's no wonder that Ozempic is quickly becoming the go-to weight loss drug for people in St. Petersburg, Florida. Real-life success stories. Don't just take our word for it. There are countless real-life success stories from people in St. Petersburg, Florida who have used Ozempic to lose weight and transform their bodies. One woman in St. Petersburg, Florida reported losing over 30 pounds in just a few months after starting Ozempic. Another man was able to shed his excess weight and achieve his dream of running a marathon. These success stories are just a few examples of how Ozempic can help you achieve your weight loss goals and transform your life. Is Ozempic right for you? If you're struggling to lose weight in St. Petersburg, Florida, then Ozempic may be the solution you've been searching for. However, it's important to speak with your doctor to determine if Ozempic is right for you. Your doctor will be able to evaluate your health history, current medications, and other factors to determine if Ozempic is safe and effective for you. We may also recommend other weight loss strategies in conjunction with Ozempic to help you achieve your goals. Remember, weight loss is a journey, and it's important to have the right tools and support to help you along the way. Ozempic can be a powerful tool in your weight loss journey, but it's important to use it safely and responsibly. The future of weight loss. Ozempic is just the beginning. As more research is conducted and new weight loss drugs are developed, we can expect to see even more exciting breakthroughs in the field of weight loss. However, for now, Ozempic remains one of the most effective and popular weight loss drugs available in St. Petersburg, Florida. Its ability to reduce appetite, promote feelings of fullness, and slow down digestion make it a powerful tool in the fight against obesity. If you're ready to take control of your weight and transform your life, then Ozempic may be just what you need. Speak with your doctor today to learn more